are here in Dumbo, Brooklyn, just on the Brooklyn side of the East River. There's a bus running today. Non-essential travel has been shut down, including livery drivers. But here you can see in New York City. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you. They say we got snow coming down at up to 3 inches an hour. Here, this is blizzard conditions, the first in over a decade. In order to qualify for a blizzard, you need 35-mile-an-hour winds sustained for 3 hours. You need less than, I think, a quarter-mile visibility. So this qualifies here as well. But some intrepid walkers, some intrepid dog walkers out this morning for the most part with the schools closed. Got about a little over 14 inches at Central Park right now. So we're well over a foot, headed to what may be 2 feet. And you can barely see the Brooklyn Bridge there in this whiteout conditions. In fact, the street lights don't know whether to go off or on right now, given everything that's happening. And of course, as we know, in climate change, it doesn't mean the end of blizzards like this. It just means more extreme, less predictable. Atmosphere holds a lot more moisture, even in winter.